Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Our tutorial on today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a listing on Agoda. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Agoda app on your phone. If you don't have the app page, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, on the screen you can see options like home, buy trips, deals, cards, and more. You have to tap on more, then you're gonna find host on Agoda Homes on the top of the screen. Just tap on it, then they're gonna take you to the website where you'll be a host. Now there you can see options like overview, listings, reservation, messages, and profile. You have to go ahead and tap on add a listing option right below the search bar. Then you have to provide the information asked by the website and tap on next. Once you give all the information that the website asks, like the photos of the property, the amenities and accommodation that you provide, the price range, everything, all the details, all you have to do is now select the accept the terms and conditions, then publish my property. Then Agoda will publish your property, and guys, that's it. That's how you add a listing on Agoda. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.